Okay, boys and girls, card number 3, profit. To make a profit, sell your products for more than it costs to grow them. So profit is the money left over after all the costs of running a business have been paid. So think about it. Is it better to sell something for a loss or a profit? Okay, so we're going to come down here, and here's the question that we just talked about. Is it better to sell something for a loss or a profit? So remember, boys and girls, that profit is the money left over after all the cost of running a business have been paid. So a loss is when so in business, when you sell something, selling it for a loss means that you're selling it for less than it's worth. Selling it for a profit means that you're selling it for more than it's worth. So do you think it's better to sell something for a loss, less than what it's worth, or for a profit, more than what it's worth? You're going to click here in this box and you're going to type your answer. So remember, you need to highlight this text, and then you can either start typing and say, I think it is better to sell something for a blank. What is your answer? Okay, so you can, let me show you this one more time. So you can do one of two things. You're going to highlight all of this, and you can either you can just go ahead and start typing your answer like I did just a second ago, or you can hit the backspace button and you can delete everything and start fresh. Okay, let's look at the talk it over. It says match the beginning of each sentence in the chart with the best ending. Write each complete sentence on a sheet of paper. Discuss your answer with a partner. Did you agree with each other? Well, the first thing that I'm going to do, boys and girls, is that I'm not going to have you write each sentence on a complete sheet of paper, on a separate sheet of paper. So I'm going to get rid of that. What I am going to have you do, though, is I'm going to have you put a number next to the sentence. So you're going to have to get a little text box and you're going to have to drag it over. And you're going to decide. So let's look at this together here. The Girl Scout troop made a profit from the sale of the old house, from the old home, selling her painting so cheaply, selling cookies, or helped it grow quickly. So how do Girl Scouts make money, boys and girls? And notice that I put a 1 next to, I'm actually going to decrease the font here. Well, actually, maybe not. It's not going to help anything anyway. Girl Scouts make money by selling cookies. So see, I put a number 1 right here next to Girl Scouts, and then I'm going to turn over here and I'm going to put a number 1 next to selling cookies. So this might be kind of tough. You might have to resize a little bit to get it to work to where you're not. And I'm going to put a number 1 right there. So that way we can see that we've matched them up. The other thing that you can do, and maybe this might be easier, boys and girls, the other thing that you could do is you could come over here and you could use your highlighter tool and you could highlight the beginning with the ending that goes with it, and then you could change your highlighter color. So for the next one, the family hopes to earn a profit. When you find the second half of this sentence, you would just highlight it red and change the color. Okay, change the color. That might actually be easier for you than trying to put numbers in. Okay, that might be easier than trying to put numbers in. So I'm going to erase this because you're going to have this on the video, and then you're going to have to do it on the page on your own.